Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Once done, open the YouTube app and sign in if required, because casting uses account context for playlists and recommendations. Next, look for the cast icon in the app's top bar, tap it, and select your TV, Smart TV app, Chromecast, or streaming box. This connects the devices and hands playback control to your phone as a remote. If the cast icon can't find your TV, use pairing. Open YouTube on the TV app to reveal a numeric code, then on your phone go to Settings, Watch on TV, enter TV code. For iPhone users, you can AirPlay directly to AirPlay-compatible TVs from the YouTube app by tapping the share or cast symbol and choosing AirPlay. If you lack a smart TV, plug in a Chromecast or use an HDMI adapter to mirror your phone. These methods bypass network discovery and still let you control playback. To finish, use your phone as the remote. Play videos, cue content, change volume, and turn captions on or off from the YouTube app. When you're done, tap the cast icon again and select Stop Casting or simply close the app to disconnect. If playback won't start, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi enabled. Then restart the phone, TV, or router to clear temporary network glitches. A single troubleshooting tip: rebooting the router often restores device discovery and resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.